These have been growing for months and I've got no idea what's underneath. They look ready, but that doesn't mean I've got a decent crop. So let's find out, was it actually worth the space? Right, here we go. So I'll take off these. You can all go in the compost. And then we'll see what we've got. There we go. There's the first one. Hopefully it's the first of many. There's a few, but we're going to need a lot more than that. I think I put there's the 4 seed potatoes. 4 seed potatoes in each container. Let's have a look at the next container. Oh, some nice looking ones in here. So we're going to keep going till we get through all 4 containers. There's a few more in there. Nice looking ones. Absolutely nothing wrong with small potatoes, they taste nice. Some slightly bigger ones there. One more to go. That looks a bit better. There's quite a few in here. Definitely. You look a lot better. Same again, those lots. There's lots of smaller ones. Oh, don't mind them. Bit of garlic butter. Tastes lovely. Pay a fortune for new potatoes like that at the start of the season. And then I've still got 3 containers with me lates in. And then I'm also going to do a couple of containers for Christmas potatoes. So as soon as we've harvested these, I'll show you what I'm doing with them. And I'll be reusing this compost. I'll just put some fresh potato fertilizer in it, and we'll get the Christmas spuds in it. Right, so there we go. I thought that would be more, but we'll enjoy them as a family. I'm sure they'll taste nice, but yeah, let's get on with planting some Christmas potatoes. So when I pulled out those potatoes, I've now got a bit of an empty space. Still got 1, 2, 3, 4 lates, so they'll get harvested later on in the year, but it's all about filling this space. So now I've got that empty space, and anyone that knows me knows I don't like that. So we're going to get on with planting some Christmas spuds. So I'm reusing the same soil, but I'm going to add some potato fertilizer in there. Any will do, I'm not sponsored by anything, so put some potato fertilizer in. Give that a mix around. with the chits pointing up. You can see they're nice. Not particularly long, but it is what it is. And then just dig a hole, put them there, cover them over. Same again, cover it over, and then the last one. So they're equally spaced and about the same depth. So these should be ready for Christmas, and it's all about getting another crop in exactly the same space. So potatoes out, potatoes in. And these sunchokes, they just keep getting bigger. Look at the side of them. I can't even touch the top of them yet. The same sunchokes in a container, and I can see the top of those, so nearly double the height. But they're for another day because they've still got a good few months to see if there's anything underneath the soil. Just have a quick look at the sweet corn. It's really starting to thicken out nicely. Good few cobs. There's some ones that are a little bit further behind, so I'll get them later in the season, but these will be ready for the next video. I'll give you a look at what those are like, okay? So let's quickly go back. Not the biggest harvest I've ever had out of 4 containers, but they'll certainly be enjoyed, and that's the main thing. Then underneath, the newly planted Christmas potatoes. And let's hope they're ready for Christmas. So, I'll catch you in the next one.